Starting off with the comb, just going with the direction of the hair that's going. As you can see me doing that now. I just want to brush out all the hair and make it straight. And now I've got my Wahl magic clip. Start off with the first guideline to make it straight ahead. And now I'm gonna get my Wahl bowling clipper, fold out the sides, all the bulk, just remove it with the bowling clipper. Now I'm gonna get the Braun Series 9 and just skin off the sides, and you don't want to go right to the top, that's going to create another line, so just keep it an inch just below. Just make sure it's all clean and all skinned up. Now I'm going to set the first guard line with the 0.5 guard open. It's got about an inch up, as you can see me doing now. And you want to follow that all around. And to take out that line, just trigger play with the 0.5 lever halfway. Then slowly start closing the lever, as you can see me doing. And the bottom line should disappear. Now I'm just using the bowling clipper. If there's a little hair, just get that out the bottom line. Now I'm gonna get my number 1 guard open and set the next guideline. Got about an inch up. Then I'm gonna go over with the guard closed, 1 closed. Now I'm gonna get the 0.5 lever closed. Just work on that line there, the one we just created. Just try knocking it out with the 0.5 guard. Now I'm gonna get my 1.5 and go another inch up. And you want to flick, you don't want to go straight up, you just want to flick an inch up. Now I'm going to get my number 2 guard, just flick up. You don't want to go too high with this one, just giving it a little flick. Just removing the heaviness on the sides. Now I'm gonna get the number 1 and just work under that line where I created the 1.5. Start with the lever open and just flick at that line there. Now I'm gonna get the 0.5 guard again and just work just under that line. Maybe just work with the 1, just go over it with the 0.5 again. Now I'm gonna use no guard and just flick at that bottom line and trigger play, use the lever. You just want to work on that bottom line. Now we're gonna get the Wahl detailer, just knocking out the bottom line. You don't want to go too high with this. You just want to give it a little rub. As you can see, the bottom line is disappearing. Now I'm just gonna go over with the 0.5. Just go over with the dark spots off. Going over with the number 1 now, with the heavy spots off. Now we're doing clipper over comb, just going with the direction of the hair and just removing the bulk from the sides, as you can see me doing now. And you don't want to take too much off, just want to do it where it's heavy and where it's sticking out. And you want to go against the grain of the hair, pushing it down and working your way. So now we got our number 2 and we're going straight up, just remove the bulk on the side so it's easy for us to do the box. Got the Wahl magic clip. And you just want to tap. You don't want to do no pushbacks, natural as possible as well. Now we're gonna get the blade and I'm gonna stretch the skin, avoid cutting in a nice crisp line. So here we have it, the fresh cut. Let me know in the comments below. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.